Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing 5 reasons to buy Sologenic and COREUM for 2024 and beyond. It's going to be an interesting video, so do watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos. And you guys can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. So guys, let us begin the video with the first reason to buy Sologenic and COREUM, which is both of these projects being undervalued, guys. Check this out. This is the all-time chart, guys. So check it out. It is down since its all-time high. And granted what it provides us, $67 million market cap for Sologenic is extremely low, but the price is 0.1686. Even fully diluted market cap, $67 million. So for what it provides, we're going to be checking that out as well. It is extremely undervalued, and it has almost hit rock bottom prices, guys. So that is the first reason. If we look at the COREUM chart as well, down 70.09%, all-time chart. Fully diluted market cap $116 million, but the market cap with the current circulating supply $81 million approximately. And let me remind you, Sologenic is also basically burning the coin, so that is also awesome. So the first reason is that both of these projects are extremely undervalued at the moment, but not financial advice. Obviously, you have to do your own due diligence, your own research, and you guys obviously have to invest what you can afford to lose. That is the mantra of investing. So, guys, this is the first reason. The second reason is the use case of both these tokens, guys. So basically, Sologenic is used for tokenization purposes. Check this out. Manage liquidity across all markets. It is basically used to tokenize shares, ETFs, and all of that stuff, guys. And you know that they are trillions of dollars of industries. So what Sologenic is tapping into is significant. Expedite trades using the power of blockchain for swift settlement, launch funding rounds for businesses of all sizes using blockchain technology, maintain control of asset custodianship or reduce risk and liabilities. It is compliant, it is regulated. Check this out, it has got the CBDC tool as well. So the tokenization of currencies, real world fiat currencies, and an innovative solution compatible with any existing central bank digital currency sandbox. Custom built tokenization, seamless integration, scalability, decentralized architecture, full customization. Cool. Now, if you look at COREUM, guys, COREUM has a use case where it is a layer one basically. So you guys know that developers can build projects on top of it, and not just that, guys. It is well optimized for enterprises, guys. A new generation of blockchains that is geared towards enterprise needs, and it is in compliance with ISO 20022, launch DeFi applications and protocols for businesses of any size. And you know that the ISO 20022 coins are gaining steam. That is great. That brings us, guys, to our third reason, which is the narrative. You guys know that cryptos pump due to narratives as well. There was a metaverse narrative, there was an AI narrative, sorry, and there is an upcoming narrative known as Deepen as well. We've discussed that in a video of ours as well. You guys can check that out as well. So the narrative of both these coins are great. So what are they? First and foremost, tokenization as well. Sologenic tokenization, you know that real world asset tokenization is going to be huge in the upcoming years, guys. Trillions of dollars of market cap can be achieved by merely the tokenization industry. I think tokenization is expected to grow to $16 trillion by 2030. And guys, another one is the enterprises, governments, banks. joining the crypto industry and using the use cases and platforms. So that is also a narrative in and of itself, guys. Let me show you both of these projects involved with governments as well as these firms. Check this out: purpose built for banks, brokerage houses, investment firms, and exchanges, and COREUM as well. So, guys, that is awesome. Smart contracts, a multi chain future. That is a great narrative, guys. In my opinion, that is a great narrative. Now, guys, the fourth reason is that association. You know that Sologenic and COREUM, Sologenic first and foremost was built upon the XRP ledger. It is associated with XRP. You do not need any other association. It is huge. You know that XRP is great, the XRP ledger networks. So the association with XRP and other partnerships, associations as well. Check this out: Descent, Citadel.one, AirGap, Frontier, Ledger, Leap. That is awesome as well. They've got great associations. Check this out on XRP for Bull, informal staking. So the partnerships are also great, guys, and associations for what they're doing. Hobby. So that is the fourth reason. And let us now the BitTrue. Check this out. Their the associations. You guys can check these out yourselves. And now for the fifth reason is the team and partnerships, guys. The team and the community. The fifth reason being the team and the community. Let me show you guys. The community is growing as we are making this video. Latest. Check this out. The solo dance. Looking at the charter. Which solo is it talking about? This another solo. Solarduino. I mean, no, that's a meme. We're talking about Sologenic, but regardless, the community is growing, guys. So that is extremely ironic when you tend to make a video and the community just vanishes. So, anyways, it has got a let us just write Sologenic here. Do not know why these meme hypes basically are which solo are they hyping at the moment. So this is it. 5 hours ago, COREUM official Sologenic solo traded up 3.2%. So, anyways, the community is building. Community is great. Let us search for COREUM as well. We might see a bit more hype at the moment, but trust me, guys, the community is there. The community is there. Finally received the last batch of 50k COREUM sent from XRPL to the mainnet wallet. So yeah, XR COREUM up 33%, 33%, 34. The future is looking bright. COREUM, I'm looking forward to this. This ecosystem is growing fast. Wave 3 grants soon to be announced. Solo crypto. COREUM after breaking down from rising wedge and meeting the technical target. So yeah, I think we have started count. So you guys get the idea, right? I'm a super XRP and COREUM guy, but okay. So but AVX has made me so much short-term money. Okay, so yeah, he's a huge XRP and COREUM guy. That's the main point. COREUM holders, don't miss this free airdrop. Okay. So yeah, COREUM, Sologenic, at Real Sologenic, please can you guys clear up 50k COREUM bridge from XRPL? So the community is growing, guys, and so are the team is good. They constantly have updates. Let us check those out as well. They are active. They have got a good X handle, 162.7k followers. So yeah, check this out. January 12, January 9. They are active, guys. Sologenic. Every enterprise grade blockchain needs matching custody. So there it is. COREUM as well. So both of these have great teams that are basically uh, keeping the investors, the community informed. Over 1 million solo tokens have been burned. As more transactions take place, more tokens are burned, creating a strong indicator of the growing activity and adoption within the Sologenic ecosystem. Awesome. Let us check out COREUM as well. Blockchain infrastructure architected to meet critical scalability, security, and interoperability needs. So it is interoperable as well, working between the various blockchains, legacy systems, providing enterprise solutions on chain. Keyword on chain, guys. So yeah, this is their X handle 2 hours ago, AMA. You guys can join that, check that out tomorrow. So they are active. That's the main point. So that is our fifth reason, guys. So yeah, this was Sologenic, COREUM, 5 reasons. This is Bob Rask always talking about. Talking about Sologenic, COREUM. We've talked about it in previous videos as well, 5 hours ago. Keeping community informed. Awesome, guys. In my opinion, great projects to look into. You guys can do your own due diligence, your own research, basically, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Kicking off the year with a gold. Solo is officially listed on BitGet with over 20 million users. Okay, so yeah, you guys get the idea. These were the 5 reasons to invest or buy Sologenic and COREUM in 2024 and beyond, guys. So this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to obviously like, share, comment, and share. And if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then guys, subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for regular videos and support the channel by becoming a patron. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.